there are peanuts that were put out for the squirrel. The irony is, it's not the squirrel eating them. See, peanuts. The chickadees keep eating them, so I gotta refill it. So now it's filled. Put some over there. And then there's a feeder by the white building. And I toss a handful over there too. There's a couple fox squirrels that run around, so hopefully the chickadees leave some for the squirrels, because that's why we have them. And I gotta be careful out there because I noticed some moose tracks today. Only one set, but they were not there yesterday. So that's life in the UP. Enjoying it. And that's full for probably 3 to 5 days.